What's up, everyone? Hope you're having a great day so far. So today I got a little surprise for you. So as you can see, we took these bad boys off. Well, we're taking them off. As you can see, they're a little beat up and they need to be replaced. They've been repainted a bunch of times, so let's see what we got. We're finally leaving the reps behind. Let's see what we got under here. Just kidding, motherfuckers. We got more reps. Now, a lot of people are gonna hate on me because I got more reps. I mean, to be honest, look at these things though. Oh my God. These are forged, so they are a strong quality. They're Oldhand DSO1s. I'm really excited to put them on. They're the same size and specs as my other ones. Got some hub center cap spacer things. Very tough packaging. They pop in just like this. The wheels I had previously are Oldhand DSO6s. They lasted me like 4 years, and I really liked them. They lasted so long, so many different sets of tires, over 100,000 miles. They were forged. They are replica wheels, but fuck the haters. I hit those things in so many potholes. I basically destroyed them and repainted them so many different times. They're good wheels. I'm assuming everybody here knows how to mount and install a tire, so I'm not gonna explain this, but we're just untwisting it really. And I don't have a torque wrench or an impact or anything. Let's unwrap this other one. Let's get all of these on. My bumper lip is sitting on the floor because of where it's jacked up from. Can't forget the hub ring. Now this is just how I put on my wheels. I know you're supposed to like torque it to spec, but I tighten them all like this while it's in the air. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lower it a little bit. And I'll show you what that looks like. First, I wanna get this test in to see how the fitment is. So, looks good to me. Way too much clearance. Oh yeah, quick thing, on the back of the 10th generation Civic sedans is a jacking point back here, so jacks up both the rear wheels. Pretty freaking cool, huh? Broke my side marker again, so we're gonna put some screws in here, lock it back in. Needs to go just a bit higher. I'm gonna steal this screw and use it. Look at all this peeling stuff. Got a hanging underglow wire too, I'm gonna just cut it off. Snip, snip, snip. Underglow's already broken anyway, so I'm not too worried. Now this is just my way. I'm just using some self-tapping screws to get the side skirt locked back in so it stops dangling around when I'm driving. I don't want it breaking off, and I want the entire life of these side skirts out of these things. Get my money's worth, you know what I mean? You can see where my wrap got ripped too because of it. I gotta bolt it in over here too, so here we go. And back to the wheels. So now that it's on the ground, this is kind of how I torque it. So I'll just go ahead and put this thing over it and tighten the absolute shit out of them. A lot of people are like, oh, it's not going to be torqued to spec, but you know, I'd rather have them too tight than too loose. So this just works for me. I've been doing this for years, and I don't really think I want to buy a whole impact. They're pretty expensive. I know the Milwaukee one's like 160 or something, but yeah, look at this. Look at all that leverage, you know? Not going to lose my wheels on the road at all. Let's just tighten up this side. But like I said, this is my way. This is not your way, and this is not your car. So don't be mad. And if you want to be mad, f you. Looking good. Forgot to fix this side, but I'm gonna just leave it. In case any of you are wondering what jack I'm using, I have no idea. My buddy David gave it to me a long time ago. He really hooked me up. So thank you, David. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I love you, bro. I really appreciate you. But yeah, it looked better when I got it. I beat the shit out of it. It's got missing stuff everywhere, but it still works, so. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Diddy decal. So I do this thing on my Instagram every once in a while where I let my followers pick the decal that goes on my car, and this is the one they came up with. If you guys want to go get involved, my Instagram is @dead10cent. I put it on the screen right there, but yeah. This will be a quick little tutorial of how to install any banners or large decals on curved surfaces. So we're going to put this on my carbon wing. Just use some rubbing alcohol wipes on the surface, and I'm going to peel off the decal with the transfer tape included, just like this. Now I'm gonna pick my edges for edge to edge, and we're gonna start from the center out. So I'm just gonna align it real quick. Where's my squeegee? Grab the squeegee, and then we're gonna start right from the middle. Just swipe to one side and swipe to the other. And cool, now straight down the middle. It's kind of like glossing a vinyl wrap or glassing it. We're gonna wrinkle the transfer tape a little bit, but we're not gonna wrinkle the vinyl underneath. That's the goal. So it looks like this corner is good. Now we're gonna move over to the other side. Same thing, we're gonna keep it lifted so we don't get any wrinkles and no spots go down too early. Just piece by piece, lift and pull. Don't want anything pressed down all the way yet until we get to the very end. Then we're gonna go over it again and we're gonna squish it down nice and securely. Now the whole thing's on, so I'm just gonna go over it all one time and try and squeeze out any bubbles I see. Now for my favorite part. Oh my God, why does this actually look so good? Not what it says really, it's obviously like a joke, but it does look really good. Here's the final product. Oh my God, you guys are crazy for making me put this on my car, crazy. Time to throw the front wheels on, then we're gonna see what's in that Fitment Industries goodies bag that they gave me. I'm excited about that. Same tightening process, and remember, this is not your car, this is my car. On my way to the goodie bag. Time to open up the goodie bag, so let's check out what's in here. Read before you drive. I'm not reading this shit. Looks like they wrote me a cool letter. Oh, these are my valve caps. Sweet. I got some purple ones, spiked ones. Excited about these. What? And we got some stickers. Sweet. Probably not even going to use them, to be honest, but oh, here's the letter. If you guys want to read it, go ahead. Says right here that the best part is the stickers. You damn right, dude. Bought these stickers, got a free wheel set. And your business card, too. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let me just clean all this up so it doesn't blow away and get this last wheel on. It's kind of a shame that I got new wheels right when I put these tires on, because they're in like brand new condition still. I did go with a cheap tire. I think this tire was like 70 or 80 bucks individually. So Lexani's 225/40s. These are 18 by 9.5 wheels or plus 30 offset if you guys want my fitment. I did pull my fenders just a little bit so that I don't rub too much on turns. Time to drop the car. These ones I already tested the pressure, so I'm gonna put the spikes on them and the back ones. And then we're gonna pump up the front ones. Yeah, much needed. Great purple accent. Now for the other side, pulling out the air compressor for these things. Now, they think these are 49 PSI max. I always go about 40 in all my tires because it's static. I don't want the bead to break. I want it to be as tight as possible to the rim without exploding. So we're gonna go 40 in every tire. In case you guys wanna know where I got this air compressor, it's a Dewalt Air Compressor. Bought it off Amazon. It was about $160 when I got it, and then a $20 attachment to pump up tires and read pressure. I'll put the links in the description if you guys wanna go get yourself one. The last spikes. Always clean up after yourselves. Oh yeah, dude. It looks so much better with chromes instead of the whites. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you made it this far into it, please make sure to click that subscribe button. It really helps me so I can keep going forward and making more good videos for you guys like this one. Really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Without you guys supporting me, I really wouldn't be doing stuff like this, and you guys seem to really love the car content, so I'm gonna keep doing more of that for you. Thanks so much. Also, Justin, if you're watching, your granny loves me.